Okay, so we just received the Mountrax 3-in-1 Smart Massager, Scalp, Facial Massage, Vibration, and Heat Function. And it's got some stuff on the sides here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, the box doesn't want to open for me. Come on. There we go. All right, so we'll put this down over here. Well, let's leave it here. And let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I think the massager's in here. Let's go ahead and open that up. I do believe this is the unit itself. Let's go ahead and get her out of this stuff, this protective. All right, so here it is. Look at it. Ooh, check that out. It's got this little protecting case. We'll set that there for now. And this is the back of it. And it's got some controls here. And I guess we turn it on there because that's the universal turn on sign. And then this is the universal something or other sign. So I think that we may have to charge this up. So there's a little box in here, and I do believe it has the charging stuff, or the way that you charge it. Yep, there it is. And I think it's got extra feet. Or maybe you can change it from those prickly looking ones to something else. Let's see what they are. Oh, okay, so check it out. So these are softer. So you can change this. So these apparently pop off. Oh yeah, look. So this is how they just come off. And so if you want to change them, you can just put these on there, like that. So you can do different feet. You can do this foot, or you can do these. And they just smush on really easy. Very simple. So so you get 4 of these. They're in this little packet here. So you can use those. All right, let's set this down for a second. And let's take a look at how they charge it. So it does not come with a charging block, so you're going to need a charging block. But it has this weird looking little hookup. I've never seen one of these before. And I do believe it just goes right here. And it looks like it works like with a magnet. Yeah, look at that. And then you just got to plug it in to charge it. I guess you could plug it into your computer, but it would be great if you had a charging block. And of course, I've got a million of them. So, you know what I mean? Because I've got so many iPhones. Also, this is kind of cool here too. So if you notice, it's got this to charge it. Watch this. So when you're storing it, you go ahead and put it in its little case here, and then you can set your charger right in there like that. You see, and it can be sitting like this so that these don't get, I guess, smushed up. So then you would set it down just like that, and then we just go ahead and plug it in. If you look, this kind of like snaps in here, and you can just leave that in there like that. And then when you put the massager back in like this, it kind of snaps in there and catches it. And then you've just got to get this matched up, right? And then you just push her in here. And then bam, you just charge it. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's how you charge it. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and pull her off its little stand. We'll just let that sit there so you guys can see it. So anyway, to turn it on, you're going to do a long press. Now it comes on. Now you can do just a short press and it changes the mode. Watch. See, it goes higher. Another short press. Slower. Another short press. Stops. But you can see the light still on. All right, so now over here you press this once and it vibrates. Press it again. Stops. Press it again. You see how it's going up and down? Now press and hold. And now you get constant vibration. See how that red light came on? Press again. Turns it off. Then to turn the whole thing off, press here, hold, and it's off. So if you want to take these off, you just kind of pop them off like this. Okay? Just going to set them down there. And then we can put the other feet on just by pushing them on, just like this. Okay? Here we go. Just got to make sure you get them all around. Just kind of look. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. And let's try it out. So these are a little bit less. So you may want to try these, you know, if these are too much for you, you could try these. Here's the different modes. There's a little bit faster. All right. Slower. And off. So you can, you know, interchange these just to give you an idea so you can look at the difference. But you're going to have to actually try it to see which one you like. You know what I mean? But I like it. It's good. I think it's going to work well. All right, so let's go ahead and try it out. First of all, we're going to turn it on. Long press. Starts moving. So it's moving slow right now. Let me just go ahead and get her on there. Ooh, that's kind of prickly. There we go. Let's try over here. I was worried my hair might get all tangled up in there, but apparently it doesn't. Let's try it on top. Whoa! Let's give a neck try on it. It feels pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and let's kick it up one. It's a little bit harder, a little bit faster. Look at my eyebrow. Watch, watch. Get it on the face too, look. I think this could be a good facial massager. I mean, yeah, it works good, man. Let's try it over here. Let's get it over here so you can see. Yep, just press it again. Goes back down. Okay, now you can do the vibration too. So I'm going to press this. Now it's vibrating. It's pulsing. It's like a pulse. So you feel it a little bit. You can see that little red light in there. Okay, so if I do a long hold, the red light comes on. So I think I must have heat now. And I can feel it. I can feel the vibration too. I don't know if you can hear it. Maybe you can. But let's get back here. Okay, so that feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and turn it off. We'll switch the feet on it. So remember, I had these feet, right? So I'm just going to pop these off. It only takes a couple seconds to do it. Throw those down. We'll get the other feet. We're going to put them in and see if it's, you know, how much of a difference we get. As you can see, you can do this really quickly. So, one more. Oh, what happened there? Oh, I lost the thing on the end there. It's inside this foot here. So this, look what happened. This came off. So I got to push this out. That's not good. Or I may have, oh, there we go. I got it. Look at this little piece right here came off. It got stuck inside there. So now I got to smush this on here like that. I think I got to get it on there. Oh, there we go. So you got to be careful. These things pop off. So let's go ahead and get this on there. Okay, now we're good. So let's go ahead and turn her back on, right? Ah! Here we go. All right, don't get your finger in between here. Just did that. Be careful. All right, so this is a much rougher feel on these. So see those? A little rougher compared to this. All right? So just to let you know. If you like it rough, you go try that. All right, feels pretty good. So anyway, that's how you work that thing. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.